Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to suggest a delicious warm salad with smoked tofu, butter beans and roasted asparagus. This dish is very easy to prepare and so it's a great recipe to try out if you never cooked with tofu before. In this video I'm going to present the dish as a main course for two, but you can also adjust the portions and serve it as a starter for 4 people. First, preheat the oven. Then, prepare the asparagus. After washing them, remove the woody ends at the base. Just grab the stalk and bend it until it naturally snaps at the end. The woody part will easily separate at the point where it's tougher. Then, using a vegetable peeler, peel the asparagus from the base to about halfway up the spear. Slice the asparagus at an angle into 3 or 4 pieces and place them into a medium-sized roasting tray. Then, halve and finely slice the onion and add to the tray. Drizzle the vegetables with some olive oil and season with salt, freshly ground pepper and chili flakes, according to your preference. Carefully toss to coat everything well and roast in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, finely slice 2 garlic cloves and cut the pepper into thin strips. Also, chop a handful of parsley leaves. You can also prepare the tofu in advance. Remove the tofu from its packaging and drain any excess moisture. Some tofu brands don't require pressing, which in that case, just pat dry the tofu block with kitchen papers. Cut it to about 1 cm slices and then each slice in half, diagonally, so you end up with 8 triangles. Now, heat 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large frying pan and over a medium heat, fry the garlic for about 1 minute or until slightly golden. Stir in the drained and rinsed beans and then the peppers. Add the cider vinegar, a pinch of salt and pepper and cook for about 1 or 2 minutes. Add the chopped parsley and the roasted vegetables. Give everything a good stir, taste, and if necessary, adjust any seasoning. Turn off the heat and set aside while you cook the tofu. In a medium frying pan, spray some vegetable oil to cover the base, and over a medium-high heat, fry the tofu for about 2 minutes on each side, or until golden on both sides. Now that everything is ready, divide the bean mixture among 2 plates and add 4 pieces of tofu to each plate, if you're serving as a main dish. To finish, if you like, drizzle with a bit of chili oil and top with some rocket leaves. This salad is also delicious, accompanied by chili lime sweet corn, which you can find here on this link. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.